I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You'll start by targeting the exact layer you want to change. Select the layer, then add a brightness/contrast or curves adjustment layer. Make sure it's created above the target. Once added, clip the adjustment to the layer. Either check the clipping box when creating or Alt-click the border between the two layers. This ensures the adjustment applies only to that layer, not the whole document. You're doing this to preserve non-destructive edits and keep global color balance intact as you begin tweaking brightness. Now refine the brightness using curves for more control. Lift midtones gently or create a subtle S-shape to retain contrast while brightening. Make sure to use the adjustment layer's mask. Paint with a soft black brush to protect areas you don't want brightened, or white to reveal adjustments. Once done, reduce the adjustment layer's opacity for subtlety and try blending modes like luminosity to avoid color shifts. These steps let you shape light precisely, while preserving texture and color fidelity on that single layer. Finish by dialing opacity and softening the mask edges so the change reads naturally in the image. If you need narrower control, add another clipped adjustment layer or group them to keep edits reversible and tidy. Save a versioned PSD so you can revert. If the adjustment suddenly affects every layer, reassert the clipping. Alt-click between the adjustment and the target layer or enable the clipping option. If tones look wrong, check your document color profile and layer blending mode. That fix resolves the most common.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.